Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to move text, how to copy text, and how to use find and replace text in Microsoft Word. In our previous video, we have learned how to make a new Word document and how to open an already existing document and how to edit it. I will provide the link in the description if you missed this. So let's begin with this video. First, we will learn how to replace a word. So the method one is you can select the word by using your mouse and you can press the backspace button and you can write the word you wanted. So I'm writing here companies and I have replaced it by organizations. Method two is if you double tap the word you wanted to replace it and then you can simply press the backspace button. Okay. And now it's time to learn how to select a sentence. So method one is you can use your mouse button and you can select this whole sentence. The second method, if you triple tap on the paragraph, then it will be selected. Okay, so by triple tapping the sentence, you can select it. And now how to move the paragraph. So when the paragraph is selected, here you can see this is the clipboard, home tab, and in this clipboard here you can see the scissor. This is used to cut. So if I press it and then I have to find where I have to paste it. So here press enter and this is the paste command, and here we have multiple options. I am selecting this final option. The second method for moving paragraph is using these shortcuts, Control X to cut and Control V to paste. Okay, so you can use these shortcuts. And now it's time to learn how to copy paragraph. We have two methods for it. First, we have to select this paragraph, okay? And then this is the option of copy. So you can press Ctrl C for that as well. And here we need to paste it. So if I press this button or Ctrl V, then it will be pasted here. So I am pressing Ctrl V here. So by using one of these methods, we can copy a paragraph. Now let's learn how to use find and replace in Microsoft Word. So this is the replace button in home tab, and here we have to type the word that we want to replace. So this is the word and I want to replace it with this one. Okay, and if you want to replace all of these words in your document, then you simply have to press replace all, and this is the number of word count that is replaced in your document. So that's how you can use the find and replace feature in Microsoft Word. So in this video we have learned how to move text, how to copy text, and how to use find and replace feature in Microsoft Word. In our upcoming video we will learn the formatting in Microsoft Word. See you in the next video.